On the hazard perception test, you will score marks by spotting developing hazards. 15 developing hazards will be shown across 14 video clips. 13 video clips will contain just one developing hazard each, and one clip will contain two. You can score up to 5 marks for each hazard spotted, giving a total maximum possible score for the test of 75. Although you may spot several potential hazards on any one video clip, only those potential hazards that materialise and that involve other road users will be scored. As soon as you see a potential hazard, you should click your mouse button. If this develops into an actual hazard, you will obtain a score. The sooner you have seen the hazard, the higher the score will be. The time taken for the potential hazard to develop into an actual hazard is divided into 5 equal segments. If you click while in the first segment of time, you will score 5, the second 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. If you click several times while the hazard develops, the program will always take the highest score. To help you see how this would work in practice, we will now show you a short scene where the developing hazard will be identified by a red circle. The potential score you could obtain by clicking the mouse at any point will also be shown. The point at which the potential hazard starts to develop into an actual hazard is not always clear-cut. In this example, you will notice a very young child riding a bike on the pavement. This alone may be classified as a potential hazard, although the real hazard does not start to develop until the child turns to cross the road. This is the point at which the scoring window opens, as highlighted by the red circle. If you had only clicked your mouse button earlier when you first recognised a potential hazard, you would have scored 0. Therefore, you should always click your mouse button a few times as the hazard develops to make sure you obtain the highest possible score. However, do not click your mouse button unless you can see a potential hazard developing, otherwise the program may determine that you are trying to cheat the system by clicking throughout the sequence. If the program detects a regular clicking pattern or an excessive number of clicks, you will end up scoring nothing for that clip.